Hey, good morning everybody. Greg, Tech Gear Junkie here. Headed out yet once again to try to do a P.O.T.A activation, Parks on the Air. And I'm kind of running out of nearby parks to go to. So today I'm choosing the Cibola National Forest, which is a huge area just northeast of me. Technically any place in that would be good, so I have a few hundred square miles to choose from, but I'll try to pick a place that's up, get a little elevation gain, help me out with my QRP rig. Alright. So, join me, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie, as we try once again to get activated. Let's go. Trying to get up to that peak right up there. For some reason it's not a soda peak, I don't know why. It seems like it would meet the criteria for it, but it's still part of the Cibola National Forest, so I think it'll do. Cedro Peak is right up through there. I don't know if I'll go all the way to the top or not. I don't want to interfere with their lookout operations, but got the ID 51A here in the car, and be using that for GPS functionality more than anything. Record my position, make sure I don't get lost, mark my start point. And if you're ever going hiking anywhere in New Mexico in the summertime, or anytime really, this is a requirement. We're almost at, I don't know, I'm probably 6,000 or so feet here, and the sun's just beating down. There's no clouds or anything. Well, maybe that one. But you'll burn to a crisp faster than anything. So I'm going to slather myself up with this and then start hiking up there. I've got a bit of a heavy load here. I'm taking a buddy stick. This is my tripod and military whip. It's secured to my backpack here with these cheapo carabiners and a bungee cord to keep it from flopping around. That usually works pretty good. Alright, I don't really know where I'm going other than those antennas up there is the general direction. I've always seen this peak. Even when I was a little kid, it's pretty prominent. Get this over here. Pretty prominent peak in this area. And there's a big forest watch station. Alright. One of the great things about these GPS enabled radios is you can record your position. So I go ahead and mark this one. Since I really don't have any idea where I'm going, mark my starting position in case I get lost. Right now it says I'm at 7,450 feet. So this looks like a trail. I'll keep going. So at this point, I'm just kind of winging it. These trails aren't clearly marked. My only landmark really is those towers up there. Okay. So I'll get up high enough I can get a good signal up. It's not like I'm doing a soda activation anyway. This is all P.O.T.A. This would be a good soda hill. I don't know if it just doesn't drop off enough in all directions. What the dealio is. I was hoping to get you guys some good views, but the area around this is just scrub all the way. I guess behind me is pretty good. That back there is towards P.O.T.A Peak. I did an activation on that about a month ago. Well, son of a gun. This is a tough trail. I probably picked the worst line I could think of to get up here. I know according to my Maps app that I'm close to a service road. That road I know goes all the way to the top. I'll probably take that road back down. There's no way I'll ever find this path again. Well, it's good exercise anyway. Now we're doing better. Down the service road. You can see the campground down there. Now we're getting some views. But let's see what the old GPS says. (7,752 feet. I don't know why this isn't a Soda Peak. It should be. There, back through there. Through to Harris Canyon. That's Albuquerque, uptown, right through there. See if I can zoom in on it in post-production. These mountains over there, that's South Sandia Peak. Pan around. That's over there is South Mountain, and we're looking towards Santa Fe now. I should be able to get a pretty good signal out up here. Let's see where we can set up. Sit down here on this mighty uncomfortable rock. Should have a good cell signal. I'm 30 feet from a tower. Okay. See if anybody out there can hear me. P.O.T.A, P.O.T.A. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parks on the air. P.O.T.A, P.O.T.A. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parks on the air. P.O.T.A. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parks on the air. Kilo Oscar 5 Victor.
Yeah, Roger. I've got Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, correct?
Yeah, Roger. I'm doing a Parks on the air. Just curious if my spot had gone out.
Yeah, you're in Los Lunas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm in Cedar Crest, so not very far here.
Okay, no, I'm actually up on Cedro Peak right now, trying to do Parks on the air for the Cibola National Forest, but it doesn't seem like I'm getting that at all, except for you.
Well, yeah, you've got about a 5'9" in Cedar Crest, I'll give you that.
Well, I should hope so. I'm probably looking straight at you. Thanks for coming back to me.
Okay, real good. KG5 OCW, KO5B, good luck.
Thank you. KL5B, this KG5 OCW. Well, 20 seemed pretty dead. Wasn't getting out anywhere. I got one contact to Cedar Crest, which is about 5 miles from here, so I don't think that really counts. So I reconfigured the buddy stick antenna for 40 meters. See if we can get that to work. CQ, Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey, Parks on the air.
Hello, testing 1, 2.
CQ, Parks on the air, Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey.
6 p.m., this is November 0, Australia.
Come again.
Hey, Dennis, yeah, I can barely hear you. Okay, I copy that 5'9", and that you got the same amount of noise down there. Okay, yeah, I can't hear Greg either, so I'll keep listening. N0I clear.
CQ, this Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. See where I am now, on top of the Cedro Peak. I wonder if these towers are my problem or if the bands are just garbage, but I'm up pretty high. I have a good 360-degree view. Everything behind me, around me. I'm going to head back down and try operating from the ham truck. I'm back down from the mountain. I have redeployed. I put up a dipole. I don't know how much better this will be, but if there wasn't any interference from those towers, maybe this will work a little better. Or maybe not. It's a good exercise in field deployment. I haven't done a dipole in a long time, and we'll see how it works. Try again. CQ.A. This is Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air.
Kilo, Germany 5, Charlie, India, Kilo.
Kilo, Germany 5, Charlie, India, Kilo. You're 5959.
Kilo, Golf 5, Charlie, India, Kilo. You're also 59 Texas. The name is Steve. Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo, and I appreciate your activation.
Okay, very good. It's been a tough day. You're my first contact, so thanks for coming back to me. 73.
Alrighty, I'll get you spotted on the cluster. Maybe pick you up some business. 73, have fun out there.
Okay, thanks. Kilo, Golf 5, Charlie, Hotel Kilo. It's Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey 73. CQ.A. This is Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air. CQ.A. This is Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air. W3YNX, I have you by the 333333. W3YNX, I have you 333333. Okay, I copy you. You're faint, but you're down there. W3YNX, I copy the 2222. I'm sending you a 3333. QSL. W3YNX, I'm sending you a 3333. I copy your 22. QSL. Okay, good deal. Thanks for the contact. This is Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air.
Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor.
Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor. You're 5858.
Roger, Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor. You're about a 4x5 into Wisconsin.
Okay, copy that, and thanks for the 45. Thanks for the contact, 73. This is Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air. CQ. Kilo, Germany 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Kilo, Golf 5, Oscar, Charlie, Whiskey. Parks on the air. Looks like Cedro is going to be my only way I'm going to contact today. Guys in Missouri. This is Woody. Hey, Woody. This is my last contact if I can make it work. Well, we got it activated, but man, that was tough. That was the toughest one I've ever done. I've been there for a couple hours now. You can see I finally ended up with the ham truck and the dipole set up behind me. It's kind of a kludge, but hey, it worked. It got me activated. Bands are just not in good shape today, I think. I ended up just bodging together the wonder pole, put my dipole up on top, put some tent pegs down into the parking lot. It's not up very high, but hey, I take what I can get. It's successful. Anyhow, everybody, thanks for joining me. This is Greg, Tech Gear Junkie KG50CW. I'm a little bit tired. I need to go find some lunch somewhere, but thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.